I'm from India. In India, we have this mentality that you have to do bachelor's, you have to do master's, and then only find a job. When I came to Canada, it was a complete different story. Nobody cares about your education. They care about your networking skills, who you know. Like, oh yeah, I can recommend Adesh because I know he is a good worker. So this is something that got me a job at Algonquin College because I learned that secret that no, I need to go out, I need to network with people. And if I know that people, maybe they can recommend me to that job, because initially I was applying for the job. I was not getting an interview because it was all rejection. But then I started going out to the events, networking, got in touch with Sue Chang. She mentored me, she networked me, and then eventually I got a job at Algonquin College. So I think it is very important if you're going in a different country to meet new people, to network, to take this online courses, to join local groups like IxDF local group, and know the people that you can relate to. I am part of the Ottawa IxDF group, and we do have a monthly meetup which I go in, and they talk about new design guidelines or new design best practices, which is awesome because I'm learning something new, and I'm always passionate about learning something new.